Ever get that pang of envy? Seeing someone with that impossibly sleek, shiny hair, and you think keratin treatment, but then reality hits. Salon prices. Ouch. So today, let's explore, can we get that silky smooth look without breaking the bank? Can we DIY this thing?
Yeah, totally. We found this source, right? It claims to have this awesome DIY method for smoother, shinier hair. And get this, just 3 ingredients, stuff you probably already have at home. We're going to break it down, see what the science says, and, if it actually holds up.
Okay, 3 ingredients. Lay it on me.
All right, so first up, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. But hold on, not just any rice flour. It has to be Yugal rice flour.
Yugal rice. Okay, I'm intrigued. Why Yugal rice? What's so special about it?
So Yugal rice is known for being extra smooth, like seriously smooth. And the idea is the proteins in this specific type of rice, when finely ground, can actually coat your hair strands, creating that smooth, sleek look. Kind of mimics the effect of a keratin treatment, at least temporarily.
Ah, that makes sense. So it's like a little protein shield for your hair?
Exactly. And it gets better. Next, you add 2 tablespoons of yogurt.
Yogurt. Okay, now I'm really curious. I know it's good for breakfast, but what's it doing in a hair treatment?
Well, for starters, yogurt is a natural moisturizer. It's got lactic acid, which can gently exfoliate your scalp to, get rid of any product buildup. But the real magic here, it's the fats and proteins in the yogurt. They work as natural emollients, adding moisture, and also they help bind all the ingredients together so you get this nice smooth paste, easy to apply.
So that's the smoothness factor coming in again. Interesting. All right, so rice flour, yogurt. What's the third musketeer in this hair potion?
Castor oil, 1 tablespoon of it.
Castor oil, a classic. I feel like it's in every hair growth hack ever. What's it doing here specifically?
Right, castor oil is famous for its fatty acids, especially something called ricinoleic acid. Now, these fatty acids, they do wonders for smoothing the hair cuticle, that outer layer, and they lock in moisture. That's what gives you that gorgeous shine.
Okay, so we've got our star players, the yugal rice, the yogurt, the castor oil. Now what? How do we actually turn this into a hair treatment?
Super simple. You grind the Yugal rice into a really smooth paste, like super fine. Then you mix in the yogurt and castor oil until it's all blended together. Apply it to a hair, wait 30 minutes, and rinse it out.
30 minutes? Not bad. Now, the source claims that this DIY concoction can get you pretty close to the results of those pricey keratin treatments, frizz reduction, shine, the whole shebang. But realistically, can we really expect salon-level results from something we whipped up in our kitchen?
That's the $1,000,000 question, right? Professional keratin treatments, they often use chemicals that actually change the structure of your hair. So the results, they tend to last much longer. This DIY method, it's more of a temporary fix. But hey, if you're on a budget or just curious, it's a great way to experiment and see if it works for you.
Yeah, totally. Low risk, high reward potential. So for everyone listening, we've got this intriguing DIY hair treatment courtesy of our source. Yugal, rice flour, yogurt, castor oil, simple ingredients, possibly amazing results.
Absolutely. An affordable and easy way to try and get that smooth, shiny hair we all crave.
It makes you think, right? If we can DIY something like a keratin treatment, what other salon secrets can we unlock with stuff from our pantry? It's a whole world of possibilities and maybe a good reason to rethink that next expensive beauty splurge. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.